Legend has them dropping from trees to attack victims walking below. So if you live in green mamba territory, if it's green, it must be a green mamba. Which works for harmless little bush snakes. Territory. Beware. They're up there. But only watching. Shy, elusive, incredibly well camouflaged. They stick to the treetops, minding their own business. Usually. Can these snakes score on deadly venom alone? Maybe. But they keep to themselves. So, bites are rare. But almost always fatal. Shooting them straight to top spot.
The cat-eyed snake, named after its cat-like elliptical pupils. They're designed to adjust to the canopy's changing light conditions. This one is a hungry female. Her favorite prey? The jewels of the rainforest, tree frogs. Adhesive discs on the tips of their toes and fingers allow them to climb up any surface. Some species, like this 4-inch male adult, have legs and hands enlarged with strange, flipper-like webbing. The team is about to discover what these strange hands and feet are designed for when the cat eye closes in on the frog. The male has only seconds to live. Unable to evade the snake, his next move explains why he's called the flying tree frog. The frog jumps into space some 3 stories above the forest floor. The flying tree frogs arc their backs and extend their arms and legs like skydivers. They use their webbed hands and feet to make a controlled descent. Another battle in the epic war between rainforest snakes and frogs ends with a safe landing for the flying amphibian. But the cat-eyed snake's insatiable thirst for frogs is only intensified by the defeat. There are plenty more targets to choose from, and this one can't fly. The red-eyed tree frog.
The python is one of Africa's deadliest snakes, and it has a rather unconventional way of detecting its prey. It can smell through its tongue and see through its nose. Using its forked tongue, it tastes the air, and by picking up the floating odor particles, it can smell its prey with the roof of its mouth. This python has picked up the scent of a squirrel. A snake's poor vision is attuned mainly to movement, so the squirrel keeps dead still. But it won't work. This snake has the power to see right through its act. A crafty squirrel thinks he can outsmart this python by playing statues, but this snake is not so easily deceived. Heat-sensitive pit organs on either side of its snout register the warm blood of its prey. Mixing both visual and thermal images together, the python can pinpoint its next meal, still or not. With one gulp, the squirrel is swallowed whole. The python's power to detect body heat gives it the ability to see through any camouflage or defensive ploys, right to the beating heart of its victim.
The saw-scaled viper. Many snakes offer a clear warning to stay away, But this one is a born deceiver. At only 12 inches long, the saw-scaled viper may be small, but it packs a serious punch. When disturbed, they coil up into strike position, rubbing their tough keeled scales together to create a sawing sound. Ignore it at your peril. Bite. And release. Large glands at the back of its head yield enough venom to kill over 600 mice from a single bite. The common crate and this are considered two of the deadliest snakes on Earth.
The boomslang snake is an excellent climber. Drop for drop, this snake has the most toxic venom of any in Africa. More deadly even than the notorious black mamba. From its elevated treetop position, the snake is on the lookout for its next meal. But these starlings won't go down without a fight. They launch an attack in an attempt to keep the serpent away from their chicks. But right now, the snake has another youngster in her sights. Locked away behind a prickly fence of acacia thorns, Quelea nests are well protected. But with thousands of tiny birds in this tree, at some point, one is sure to fall. And when it does, the snake is waiting. The chick's fate may be sealed. But with its sudden movement, the snake has blown its own cover. The ground hornbill has the last laugh. And this youngster has cheated death. For now.
It's an agile predator, named after the curious scales above each eye. The yellow eyelash viper, armed with fangs as sharp as hypodermic needles. This 2-foot male has 2 speeds, slow and incredibly fast. It can strike at speeds approaching 100 miles an hour. Eyelash vipers can lay in wait for hours or days on end without moving a muscle. This green tree frog has hopped into the viper's kill zone, seemingly unaware. It's now staring death right in the face. In real time, the strike is lightning fast, but slowed down to 2,000 frames per second. The viper's awesome attack is revealed. A jolt of venom injected through the snake's hollow fangs immobilizes the frog as it's eaten alive. It will take this male 3 days to digest his kill. Then once again, he'll lay in wait for more victims in the night.
Mozambique spitting cobras are among the most dangerous snakes in Africa. Aggressive. Shoot first. Ask questions later. And he rarely misses anything within 10 feet. Most importantly, he's not shy. and has no problem entering homesteads in search of mice, frogs, and geckos, endangering himself and all those he encounters. He bites and spits without warning or provocation. His victims, often young children. His venom destroys flesh, often leaving victims maimed for life, with horrific scarring, or short a digit or two. But just how deadly is he? And what of his faker sidekick, the Wrinkles? Wrinkles' venom is powerful, but they'll rather play dead than take on humans. Bites are rare, and deaths even more so, with livestock and pets their common victims. It's enough to boost him past the boomslang into a comfortable second position on the leaderboard. But with just a tiny distribution, he's up against some serious competition. Mozambique spitting cobras have a huge range, bringing millions of people into their direct firing line. They've got the big guns and a bad attitude. Destructive cytotoxic venom leaves thousands of bite victims horrifically maimed, and some dead, with more kills than the boomslang and Wrinkles put together, shooting them right above both, just shy of the top spot. They're deadly, but not deadly enough to oust the reigning giant cobras from their pole positions.